I saw you change your strategy too.
Yeah, yeah.
That first one, I think you were swinging back and forth so much.
Too much.
Yeah, so it's kind of
actually, I did the second one. I did 5 seconds. It was going to be the 5:19. Backwards first. That didn't work at all.
Because I think if you come back, even though you have a depth change, you hang for a second, you can adjust.
Yeah.
It's not that.
Yeah, that definitely didn't work. I was rushing it too much too, and I was getting a lot of muzzle rise, and I wasn't waiting to bring the muzzle back down. I was like, I knew I was shooting high, didn't I?
Like a mix. It wasn't this. It wasn't this either. It was kind of like that. It's kind of like in the middle. It's a hybrid.
Okay. Thanks, I appreciate it. Those are pretty cool. I like them. Really? Yeah, I like that. You're good for this. No, 8. That's pushing it.